Hi everyone, welcome to this demo on how to create a governance token using Bitbond Token Tool. Go to tokentool.bitbond.com and connect your wallet. Now, choose your desired network. Next, click Create Token and select the Core Token option. This is an ERC20 compatible token that's ideal for DAOs, utility tokens, DeFi projects, and even meme coins. Now, enter the basic details for your token, such as the token name, symbol, total supply, and decimals. You can also set a custom token contract name, which will appear on the Block Explorer once your token is verified. Once everything looks good, accept the terms and conditions, click Create Token, and confirm the transaction in your wallet. By default, the core token includes ERC20 votes, which enables on-chain governance. This feature allows your token holders to vote on proposals and delegate their voting power all without transferring their tokens. It also supports snapshot-based voting, ensuring every decision reflects the correct voting power at the time of each proposal. You'll see a confirmation with your token contract address and a link to the Block Explorer. That's it, you've just created a fully decentralized governance token, equipped for on-chain voting and ready to power your DAO. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.